Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coinbase Custody for institutional security detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Coinbase Custody for institutional security, first, visit the Coinbase Custody website. Ensure you have a registered institutional account on Coinbase. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once registered, log in with your institutional credentials. Locate the Get Started button for Coinbase Custody. Click on the button to initiate the setup process. You will be directed to the application form for custody services. Fill out all required fields, including your institution's name and relevant contact information. Provide details about your intended asset holdings. Submit the application once all the information has been verified for accuracy. Wait for Coinbase to review your application. During the review period, ensure you have all compliance documents ready. If approved, you will receive an email with a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your account setup. Next, enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Choose the method you prefer for two-factor authentication, such as SMS or authenticator apps. Once two-factor authentication is set up, log back into your Coinbase Custody account. Navigate to the security settings in your account dashboard. Review all available security features to enhance your account protection. Consider setting up withdrawal limits to minimize risk. After configuring your security settings, proceed to add funds to your custody account. Select the assets you plan to deposit and follow the on-screen instructions. Ensure you review the fee structure associated with custody services. Once your funds have been deposited, create a secure backup of your recovery phrases. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activities. Familiarize yourself with the custodial dashboard to manage your assets effectively. Stay updated with any policy changes from Coinbase regarding custody services. This ensures that your institution's assets remain secured and compliant with regulations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.